39 unique wedding gift ideas for newlyweds. Thoughtful presents to treasure forever. Let's start. First is 100 Dates Scratch-Off Poster. From at-home ideas to adventurous ones, this adorable poster comes with 100 dates that they can try to keep their spark alive. Next is Our Place Always Pan 2.0. This pan replaces 8 cookware pieces and has a spatula and strainer to braise, sear, steam, strain, saute, fry, boil, and more. Next is personalized toys, and of course, the most popular version of this could be the Funko Pop yourself. If the couple has a quirkier or non-materialistic vibe, or are big into cartoons, they might love getting these Funko Pop yourself figurines of themselves. Next is Champagne Flute Pair. And this is specifically called the Waterford Crystal Love Forever Flute Pair. So champagne flutes could make a great wedding gift because they can use it for special occasions for years to come. And this special pair that I'm talking about is designed by the famous Waterford and is crafted from some of the finest crystals in the world. It is stunning to look at and it catches the light beautifully, and the set is actually a real heirloom piece. Next is the Wedding Keepsake Library. You can help preserve their memories with this sweet gift. It will hold off everything from their special day in one sweet spot, so they will never lose anything. Next is Custom Metal Sign. Commemorate their family's name with this stunning steel sign, which comes in 5 different color options and sizes. Next is the Airbnb gift card. They can use the funds from this card to book an experience or trip through the popular travel site. And you can put any amount on it too. Next is the portable grill. This one will definitely delight an outdoorsy couple. The one that I linked down below is compact and lightweight with a lot of functions, with several functions that will make grilling a lot more accessible than ever. Next is the Love Lingual card game. Since they'll be spending a lifetime together, why won't you help them learn each other's love language? This set comes with 150 cards that will bring them closer together. Next is Do One Thing Every Day Together. Couples will continue to be surprised with one another with this journal for two. This is filled with daily prompts. It offers couples many ways to connect and ideas for spending time together. Next is a cast iron induction cooker. This one does it all: sears, sautés, stews, roasts, and bakes. Next is the Stoneware Heritage Covered Rectangular Casserole. This one is recommended by Oprah herself in her website. And this one's a keepsake because it is incredibly versatile, attractive, and for sure they'll be glad to have it in their kitchen. Followed by the Coffee Maker and Single Serve Brewer. Aside from being a coffee maker, this one is suitable for soup, tea, hot chocolate, thanks to its instant hot water button. Next is the Get Closer Table Talk Conversation Cards. Help your couple elevate their date nights with this fun and interactive card game. Questions like, what would you like to learn? And what are you grateful for today? Will help them continue to connect over the years. It's also a great game to whip out for friends or family. Next is the Elemental Food Processor. No one realizes that they need a food processor until they have a recipe that requires a lot of dicing and chopping. Be one step ahead by giving them this food processor, which shreds, slices, and purees up to 8 cups of food. Next is the Retro Toaster. Retro mid-century meets 21st century in its sleek design and expert function. Next is the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. Through the brand's app, you can use your smartphone to set the perfect temperature to keep your drink at. Next is, of course, the air fryer. This is an excellent gift for a new couple. It makes cooking for two fun and easier since you don't have to heat an entire oven, and many recipes turn out to be tastier. Next is Couple Sprint. Through the link down below, you can pick up the hair colors, clothes names, and of course add your special message for the couple. Next is the Big Activity Book for Couples. This book includes puzzles, quizzes, and more, and will help them be closer together in a fun and unique way. Next is the stainless steel butter spreader. How can something be so small yet so amazing? This one is better than any butter knife from the registry since it will easily spread the cold butter. Next is the car vacuum cleaner. Chances are they already have the home vacuum they wanted, but they are seriously missing out on this if they don't have their own car cleaner. Next is the moon ambient light. Help them set the mood with this adorable lamp. Next is the Apple AirTag. If you give them just one, they can decide together on how to use it. But I suggest that you give them two. Two is better than one, right? Next is stainless steel electric fondue pot. Make it a good choice for gatherings. Followed by the sleep aid device. This device will help them sleep for 20 minutes or less by using a deep breathing technique. Next is song lyrics poster. Find out their wedding song before the big day or have it shipped after. It's up to you. Either way, they will be so touched by this idea that displays the lyrics in a unique way. Next is the personalized wine chiller. This can be customized with a monogram and a date. Followed by the wooden music box. This is an adorable gift that definitely won't break the bank, and when they turn the crank, it will play Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis, or you can actually choose the song that you want. Next is a shared couples journal. This one is called our Q&A a day 3-year journal for 2 people. This provides a question per day for 3 years with enough space for 2 people to jot down a 1 or 2 sentence response. Over a 3-year period, both writers can see how their answers compare, contrast, and change as they create a lasting keepsake for their relationship. Next is personalized doormat. This can be customized with their last name or the year that they were married. Then we have Amazon Echo. Not only can they listen to their favorite tunes, but they can also make calls, turn on lights, set reminders, and ask burning questions, all without their phone. Next is good linens. Sleeping on a 200 thread count sheets is alright, but you'd love it more if you have the chance to sleep on 800 thread Egyptian cotton, right? There's nothing more luxurious than sleeping in between soft and silky linens. Next is plush bathrobes. A thick pair will make the bride and groom feel like they're booked at a luxurious hotel every day. Next is embroidered towels. Adding a personal touch like embroidery can turn an ordinary present into something extraordinary. Followed by a diffuser. So candles are out, diffusers are in. Next, Dust and Things personalized wooden wine box. So this one, you can fill this engraved box with a special bottle of wine and a note instructing the couple to crack it open on their first anniversary. And then we have the Amazon gift card in a gift bag. Amazon gift card is a great way to make sure that the couple will get what they really need, with access to a marketplace so vast the sky's the limit. Alright, I hope these thoughtful presents will make the couple's hearts soar. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Teacher K. Have a great day. Bye!